Sponsored by Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
A snowy Sunday coming to a close. We saw the kiddos, we saw the families, and of course the furry friends. We love seeing the furry friends.
Oh, of course. I mean, there was the one dog who was dressed to a T. He looked like
dressed to impress for the snow, guys.
Like he was ready
I
for
love
the Met Gala. But all in all, it was a wonderful morning, and I'd say this morning was a great scenario in which the snow fell in a short window throughout the morning, and then the sun came out in the afternoon, which melted most of the snow. And all the 4 sky cameras with the little light we have with the great sunset that's currently going on show dry weather. We can't see any snow at the moment on the grass, so it's been a great day so far. Now, I will say some black ice is possible. This will be for the places in rural areas that had shaded areas throughout the roads. Those are the places at risk for some black ice, but most of central Georgia, you're fine to drive throughout tonight and throughout tomorrow morning. Just drive with a little more caution. Now, looking at all the 4 sky cameras, well, as I mentioned, a great sunset as of right now. The current temperature in Macon, 41 degrees. Winds are coming from the northwest at 10 miles per hour. Some ice is possible, but most of central Georgia is good throughout the rest of the evening and early morning. Cold and clear tomorrow, and then we'll have some cold mornings throughout the week. We should be in the 20s for the next couple of mornings. So looking at the temperatures, we're seeing lower 40s and upper 30s all across our area. And if we compare this to 24 hours ago, a major cool down, seeing values 15 to 22 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. So hour by hour, we should get into the lower 30s by 11, into the upper 20s by midnight, and we're forecasting morning lows to be into the mid 20s. Thankfully, the winds are calm. We had an occasional gust earlier today at 20 to 15 miles per hour. Now we're seeing sustained winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. So it feels like temperatures are showing 30s for all across central Georgia, but still the winds are not really a big factor as of right now. Now, the satellite and radar shows clear weather at the moment, and tonight's going to be crystal clear. But as I mentioned, some ice is possible, but if you're driving in the interstate, you're definitely going to be good to go. It's just for the rural areas that should drive with more caution. Now, the overnight lows are going to be into the mid-20s, so around 10 degrees below average. Here's a look at the future view, and we're not expecting any rain chances for the start of the work week. Tomorrow is going to be a clear day filled with sunshine. Same thing is true for Tuesday. Clear throughout the afternoon, and we're going to be clear throughout the evening. We get into Wednesday, we're also going to start off clear Wednesday morning, but then cloud cover will increase throughout the day. It's still going to be dry, but our rain chances are going to begin on Thursday. Now, we have a 10% chance of rain on Thursday just due to a couple of sprinkles. Rain chances increase on Friday, and it'll look like it'll be for north central Georgia. And then by Saturday, we'll have our rain chances around 40 to 50% due to another system that will move through the weekend. In terms of the temperatures, we're going to see afternoon highs into the lower 50s and upper 40s over the next couple of days, gradually increasing into the upper 50s and lower 60s. But then once again, that system is going to drop temperatures back to below average throughout next weekend. Now, as I mentioned, the next couple of mornings are going to be quite frigid, mid-20s throughout tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning. Then we'll experience temperatures around average around Thursday. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. So tomorrow, Martin Luther King Day, nice and clear. Frigid in the morning and still cold in the afternoon. Tuesday, nice and clear. Our next rain chance will come on Thursday.